Try natin guys, you were there. Acoustic natin, acoustic. I guess you've heard, I guess you know. In time have I told you, but I guess I'm too slow. And it's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I see what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me, but you were there and you were everything I never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things, leave it just as they were. I mean nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange, always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type who dreams there could be more, but you were there, you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes, you were there. Can I take your smile home, or the magic in your head? The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the suns are at last. I suppose that you're believing, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go. Like an actor playing someone else's scene. This could not be happening to me, but you were there, and you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes. Oh no, I'm not alone, I'm not alone. I opened my eyes into water. Thank you so much.